Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Francis Labang, the remote office mate. For today's video, it's all about bank reconciliation automation. And for all business owners who have issue with bank reconciliation issue, especially with those unbalanced from the previous month, I've got a solution for you. I have an Excel bank reconciliation template that is powered by Macro or Visual Basic. And for today's video, I will show to you how to use my template and I will give a two example. Now let's get started. For the first example, here is the bank book and the open items from the previous months. So let's start with the bank. I will get the details for the bank first. There you go. And I will put it here. There you go. Here it is, fill out the bank beginning balance in F2. Then I will put everything here, the data. There you go. Now as you can see, it's from 2021. So for the book again, copy this one and paste it here. Same in F2. And I will put the book details. This one. There you go. It says only the book has only a 27 line items, while the bank is 42 line items. So from here, let's go to step 2. Here we can click here, or you can go here. This one, running balance. Now let's try this one. There you go, the running balance. Same with this one, running balance. Then let's consolidate. Let's put together all the book, bank, book, and open items. Consolidate. There you go. It is this one is a color coded. It's up to you if you want but for me I prepare color coded. These are all banks, and here the books, and here is the open items from the previous month for the month of July, and the current month that we are going to do the bank reconciliation is for the month of August. Here, this is the total of credits. There you go. And here also the debits. This is the balance, or the bank balance. I get it from here. Same with the book here. And the difference of this one, I put it here. And these are balanced because I got a 0. And if we have an issue, if we are not balanced, for example, let's go here. It adds 50. Let's add 50. There you go. There. You have a different discrepancy of 50 for the amount of 50. Let's undo it. Now step 4, matching. Let's go here again. Here. Let's click match. There you go. You will know if it is match if we highlight here. From here, you will get zero balance here. So these are match, and this one is open items. So these are match also. Let's go from here. You see it has a zero balance. So let's focus on the open items. This one, yeah, these are good. And this one is also open items. As you can see here, it's bank, book, book. If we highlight it here, we get a zero balance and the date are all the same. So these are match. So let's match this one and this one. But let's try it not to, let's undo it. Let's make it in another way. Then yes, everything are good now. Then you click it here again. Then run open items. Step 5, run open items. There you go. Now we are not satisfied with the matching because this one are match. So what we're going to do now, we highlight this one and cut and paste it here and make this match. As you can see, we have a discrepancy because we changed it from open item to match, and this one also match. There you go. It's zero balance again. This one, this is only for checking purposes because from here you already know that you get a balance. So now let's go to step 6, run aging report. Click here, run aging report, step 6, this one. As you can see, all of the items are more than 90 days because this is from January 20, this is from the year of 2021, while today is 2024. But if we change this to 30 days, there you go. Let's say 61 days, there you go. 31 rather, and 61 days. There you go. Let's undo it. Now here, we have to categorize this one. Let's say these are debit, bank debits. Let's say these are all bank debits up to here, and this is an NF check. Let's just say NF check, and this is a bank charge. Then these are all outstanding check. Now if we are already okay with this, let's click here again. Then step 7, this one, step 7, run. Now reports created successfully. Click here. Now we got a zero balance because this is a balance. This is a bank reconciliation statement. This is book to bank, and bank to book. As you can see, is this one are equal, the same thing, this one and also this one. And I have here an adjusting entry. This one is from here, and the bank charge. Oh, I got the bank charge here. So We will undo the recon. Let's click here, undo the recon. There you go. Then let's change this to, instead of bank error, let's change this to bank charge. Now let's go back again and run recon. There you go. As you can see, it's already 0 here. It's transfer from here, and the bank charge was already here. This one rather. So now let's go to saving. If we click this one and also this one, these open items will update. As you can see here, it's color red. So let's click this one here. Let's try to click this one. There you go. It's already updated. Then click OK. And here, the advice here is to open the monthly open items. So click OK. So here also, before saving it, exit the recon tools, or then open the file of monthly bank recon or monthly open items. Let's exit this one. Then let's go to the file. There you go. See to it that this one and this one are in the same folder. So let's click this one. There you go. These are January, February, March up to November. So the file name is my monthly open items. Let's go back there. Then let's click here. This one. Let's click this one. There you go. Let's click OK. Then let's say this is for the month of, December, and let's just say January. This is a key sensitive. There you go. The file name is already taken. Let's click OK. Let's say we are doing this recon for the month of December 2023. There you go. Now let's go there. This one. Now December, November, October, up to December. Now we are here in the full year, January to December. What if we are going to save for the month of January 2024? Let's go back here. Then click here again. Let's save again. Let's click OK. There you go. The maximum number of sheet is already exceeded. It's already reached. Now let's click OK. Now all the sheets are moved to a new workbook. So let's just click OK. Now let's save this to January 2024. That's OK. Successfully. Click OK again. Now this is the new workbook. As you can see, the file name is workbook 2. But if we go to monthly open items, we have now only January. The January 2024, the year 2023 was already moved to a new workbook. This one. December. And you can save it wherever you want, whatever folder you want. For now, I will exit this one because this is only an illustration. workbook, exit, don't save. The same thing, this one. Don't save. Now let's go to final recon. Let's click here, saving report. Let's click here. Now it said here open monthly bank recon. Let's click OK. Let's exit this one because it said here before saving, exit this recon tools. Exit. Now let's go to this one. There you go. And let's click here and let's save this one. Save. This is also a key sensitive. If we type pivot January 2023, there you go. It's also key sensitive. And let's just say this is for the month of December. Pivot December 2023. There you go. And now it's the recon, this one. The first that we save is this one. And right now is for the recon. January bank recon December 2023. There you go. Let's go there. This one. There you go. This is for the month of December, and this is the pivot for the month of December. There you go. And let's go back again. Let's say we want to record for the month of December, January 2024. Let's go back again and save reports. Now it's said here the maximum number of sheets 25 has been reached. So let's click OK. So let's click OK again. It's already moved. All sheets are moved to a new workbook. Let's click OK. Then let's type this pivot January 2024. Let's go OK. Then also for bank recon 2024. Bank recon January 2024. Okay. There you go. Now these are in workbook 3. All the sheets are transferred here. Now let's go to this one. Now the monthly, this one, the monthly bank recon workbook as a now here in the monthly bank recon we have only January. Let's go back here. We have only January for the bank recon and for the pivot January 2024. So let's exit this one. Same thing this one. Now let's undo this, undo everything. Let's click here, undo recon, and also this one. Now let's change the balance. Let's add a discrepancy of 500, amounting to 500. Let's consolidate. So we get a negative balance because this one is updated. Let's go back. Let's make this again to January. Let's make this again. Then let's undo it from the start. Let's consolidate. There you go. Very good, the amount of 500. And let's step 4, matching. Then let's check the matching. Let's change this one. Where is it? This one to match and match. And run open items. This one, run open items, step 5. There you go. And run aging report. And here, let's say this is bank debits up to here. This one also a NF check. This one is a bank charge. This one is a outstanding check. Then let's run final recon. This one. There you go. We have this discrepancy 500, and also here we still balance. We are not balanced here because it has a balance. I have difference of 500, and it comes also here. So let's undo again. Undo recon. Undo from the start. Now let's add this one, the bank. Let's add the September. Let's add the September to October. Let's add this one here. Same thing this here. Now the book items has a 105 line items, and also the bank has a 124 line items. It's not advisable to do a recon for 4 months or 2 months at the same time because you will get a wrong matching. But for the illustration purposes, for a number of transaction, I made it to August to October. So from here, we go here, click this one, running balance. There you go, and consolidate. There you go. We still have this. Let's undo again. Undo from the start. And let's zero out this one. Delete. Then consolidate. There you go. It's balanced now. Then match. Here, since this is a very complicated situation, we have to match it. We have to check the matching. Like for this one, bank, and they are matched. So I did not do any changes for it because sometimes we have a match of book to book, just like reversal. So this one we need to do it in a manual way. So this is an open items, and this one is a match. There you go, it's 0 again. So this is a very complicated. So this one we really need to check the matching at the same time the open items. For example, where is it? This one, we have a lots of open items. This one, we check the date. Maybe these are errors because as you can see 25, 20, 27, 25, 27, and these are match, and these two are bank error. What's the book error? Let's just say this is a book error. So this one also up to here 35. So no, up to here 35. There you go, it's 0. So what we're gonna do now, this is match, and let's check if we are 0. There you go, it's 0. Then after checking this all, we are already satisfied with the matching. We go here, run open items, step 5. There you go, step 5. There's a lot of open item, it's still 0. Then run aging report. This one, aging report, step 6. There you go. We have a lots of open items. And then let's say these are bank debits up to here. and these are NF check, and let's say these are bank error, and also this one book error. This is NF check, and these are bank charges. Same thing, this one is bank debits, bank credits rather. Let's say these are bank credit error, and this is bank interest. There you go, this one, the one that we made, is our book error. And here, deposit in transit, or this one is transfer. And here also, let's say this is outstanding check from here, or this one is a bank book error rather, book error, transfer. Let's say this is a book error, transfer. Now if we are satisfied now if we are okay with it, now let's go to step 7, this one, run recon. There you go, we have zero balance. These are balance. This is a bank recon statement, book to bank, bank to book, they're equal. Same thing with this. And the suggested adjusting entry, the cash in bank, this one, and the credits are this one amount, and also this one, the debits and the credit of cash in bank. So that's all. This is how to use my template about bank reconciliation automation. If you want a copy of this, just email me at labfrancis07@gmail.com. It's LAB then francis07@gmail.com. Again, LAB francis07@gmail.com. Of course, this is not for free. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next video. Goodbye.